everybody and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, let me apologise for not uploading a video in absolutely ages. I had a real problem. Basically my laptop broke, so yeah, I've had loads of footage and I've lost some of it, which is heartbreaking. And yeah, obviously I just haven't been able to edit my videos, but thankfully Jason's managed to get the program onto his computer, and yeah, I'm obviously back to editing, which is amazing. So hopefully you will see a lot more videos on my channel now. Today's video is going to be a DIY video, and I'm sure lots of people have seen this kind of Ikea hack. I actually originally saw this on Catherine's YouTube page. Her page is called Dainty Dress Diaries. I'm pretty sure a lot of you would have seen her work. I love her. I just love her channel and everything that she makes. So yeah, I've basically gone with the same style as what she did. The stool that I had for my makeup desk in my bedroom broke, so I just wanted something a little bit nicer and to kind of keep within the theme and decor of my bedroom. So the one I saw on Catherine's page actually kind of suited my taste and style really well, so I thought that I would, yeah, basically she inspired me, so I'm gonna do the same basic thing. But yeah, I thought I would record it and put it on my channel and show you guys. But if you haven't followed her page, I'll make sure to link her page down below, because if you like the sort of things that I do, I think you're really gonna like her page anyway. So but yeah, that's enough of me waffling. Let's get on with the DIY.
So for this DIY you are going to need a fluffy cushion cover. I got that off of Amazon, and as you can see on the back, it's literally just got a zip so you can put the cushion cover in side. I've got the cushion insert, which I had from an old cushion that I had spare, and then the Ikea stool that we're obviously looking to upcycle. So I actually decided that I wanted to spray paint these, so I put the legs together first because it was just easier for them to spray paint, and they dry a lot quicker as well. So onto the cushion cover now. As you can see, I literally just got this off Amazon, and I just wanted a fluffy cushion cover, mainly because it's going to be really easy to take off and wash if I need to. So I've got my cushion insert, and I'm just literally going to put that inside the cushion cover, and then also I just then, this is really hard to do with one hand, place the top of my stool inside the cushion cover, so it's really easy to get in and out when I want to wash it as well. So as you can see, we've got these 4 little knobbly bits, which are the bits that you attach to the legs, and I'm literally going to place that inside the cushion, cut around the holes, and then use these fixings to fasten it down. So I actually made a little mistake, and basically when I put the cushion on, I didn't like how the cushion lined up with the legs. So I basically just took the legs off again, and then I moved each of the legs to the corner of the cushion, and I just preferred how that sat. For me, it looked better. So just obviously before you cut the holes, just make sure that you line your legs up properly. And here's the finished look.
So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know what other DVDs, other DIYs and videos that you would like to see on my channel, and I'll make sure to get those done for you. Have a great weekend and I'll see you in my next video. Take care guys, bye!